I'm gonna keep it 100 with all in this video. This was a totally unplanned recipe and born out of a need to clear out the odds and ends in the fridge. We had one red onion or purple onion, depending on how colorblind he is. And a pumpkin I have here cut up. It's about a half cup, a cup of pumpkin. Yeah, and a pumpkin. 3 tomatoes cut into quarters. I have 4 cloves of garlic, 3 pimentos cut up, shadow benny and some chive chop up here. And I have a bag of okra. Lately I've been getting a weekly supply of okra and baigan from my brethren Gary. I'll put his contact info in the video description, and if you want to get fresh okra and baigan delivered to your doorstep, give Gary a call, he'll hook you up. So we're frying the okra off by itself in some hot oil on medium heat to ensure a less slimy end product. For this particular recipe, I just go in for a less slimy okra and to maintain the integrity and the shape of the okra. So we're going to fry it off in medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. We season it, of course, with salt and black pepper. Remove the okra from the pan after about 5 to 8 minutes. We're going to sweat or saute the aromatics and the veggies, or actually fruits, because if you want to be technical, pumpkin and tomato is really fruits. So we're going to saute the aromatics and fruits for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to cover it down and cook it for an additional 10 minutes on low heat because you want it to kind of steam. 10 minutes later, your pumpkin and tomatoes should have broken down nicely and you have this nice hash going on full of flavor. Add the okras and cook for another 5 minutes. So look at that. We clean out the fridge utilizing some little odds and ends that we had in it and made this totally delicious vegan dish. I'm serving this with rice, but you could have this with toast for breakfast, or you could even have it with some roti, some sada or some dal puri. If you like this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, show me some love in the comment section, and of course, if you try the recipe, post your photos to Instagram or Facebook and make sure to tag us in it. You could go ahead and follow me on Instagram at BadawiBai. I'm always in the kitchen doing some kind of mischief, so check me out there. And of course, don't forget to follow eatahfood on Instagram as well at eatahfoodtt. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one. Mmhmm.